the track was super difficult, but yeah, it's just finding the good lines. I don't do any mistakes, and I'm so not used to this weather. I was, yeah, all my energy was almost gone in the last laps, but yeah, no mistakes made me do no mistakes, and yeah, got off a good start, and yeah, I will thank my team, Maddie, and everyone that support me. I couldn't do this without you, and yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I do a good start. Then I pass some riders, and all race I was on the second place. And 3 laps to go. Race stop bike, and I win, and I'm happy. Thank you, my sponsors, my family, and thank you everybody who helps me.
Thanks. I am a winner, and I am so happy for this first stand.
Ο επόπτης της FIM. Του παγκόσμιου πρωταθλητή κερδίζει ο Χάκο Μόστερ Χάκεϊα. Θα πάρει και τη χρυσή πλακέτα του παγκόσμιου πρωταθλητή μαζί με το εντυπωσιακό κύπελο.
perfect weekend, as you saw, winning absolutely everything, and yeah, free practice, time practice, first position, and then first race got off a good start, and yeah, just control the race and do what I can and stay calm. And then second moto, I did a perfect start, grabbed the whole shot, and then from there I just kept calm as I did in the first moto, and that don't get too much taken by the heat, and yeah, perfect weekend.
Και η χρυσή πλακέτα λοιπόν στον Ιταλό.
I'm very happy and I thank all my sponsor for this result. I'm very happy for the title.
Έχει πέσει στο τελευταίο γύρο. 8-17 το περνάει. Όχι. Έπεσε ο πρώτος παιδιά.
So great. This is the World Cup winners. And on the top of the pack is Aaron Catona, our new World Cup winner, Aaron Catona.
Aaron Catona παραλαμβάνει το χρυσό number play.
And we are going to...
I am so happy with my stand, and thank you very much for my family, my team, Husqvarna Maurer racing team, and I am so happy.
Έχει πέσει στο τελευταίο γύρο. 8-17 το περνάει. Όχι.
Here, 3 best riders, so we only...
Στην ομάδα της Ιταλίας 4, 3 για τους αναβάτες, 3 για τους αναβάτες και 1 για τον team manager. Συγχαρητήρια.
And of course, not to forget...
Everything is went well again this year. I'm super happy again. We have 3 individual podium, 3 guys, one guy on each class, so means that we have one first, one second, and one third. And we got the overall again for the second time in a row here in Greece in a tough condition. I'm super happy about this. I would say big thanks to the families who comes here in Greece, to the all my colleagues which make this possible, to the Italian Federation which give me the chance again to manage this wonderful team. And I wish good luck to everybody and thanks to all. Thank you.